Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Windsurf AI editor on your PC or laptop. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to install Windsurf AI editor on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, I want you to open Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your browser, the next thing you need to do is go to the official Windsurf website, since that's where we'll be downloading the application. So just type windsurf.com into your search bar and then open the official website. And once you're on the website, you should see a download button right here. So just click it. And then your Windsurf installer file will now start downloading. Just wait for this to be finished. Once it's finished, open the installer file to begin the installation process. And then simply follow the setup instructions on your screen. After that, Windsurf will start installing on your PC or laptop. This should only take a few moments, so just wait for the installation to complete. And once it's finished, you can launch Windsurf from your desktop or Start menu. Now, if this is your first time opening Windsurf, you'll be asked to sign in or create an account. Simply follow the prompts and log in with your preferred account. And there you go, guys. After logging in to your account, you now have Windsurf AI editor successfully installed on your PC or laptop, and you're ready to start coding with its AI-powered features. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.